Hey there. Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense.
Rules of making verbs plus ing, especially action verbs. So the problem the students face is that when we tell them to make verb plus ing, they just add ing to the verb, which is not correct most of the time, because there are rules that you should know and practice and do. So let's see. Verb plus ing. Not all the verbs take just ing. This is one thing that you should know from the very beginning. So we add ing just to action verbs, the verbs that do an action. Let's see. The verbs that do an action. Let's see. The verbs that do. Verb plus ing is called in English grammar present participle. For you as a beginner, level 1, remember just verb plus ing. So we have groups and we have rules for each group. Rule group 1 is very simple. We add ing to some verbs without any problem or change. So just the verb and we add ing. We are going to see the verbs that take ing without any problem or change. Let's see the first verb. So let's repeat after me. Every time I pronounce a word and plus ing, try to practice it with me. Don't just watch. So let's have fun pronouncing verb plus ing. Do, doing, doing. Another thing, so when we add ing to the verb, don't pronounce g. Don't say starting, don't say stealing, don't say doing, don't say going. No. So when we have ing at the end of a verb, don't pronounce g. Doing, n. So the final sound is n. Doing, doing, doing. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.